Hi dear students, this is Ms. T.M. Rahini from Sir Isaac Newton CBSE and Metric School, Papakoil, Nagapattinam. Today I am going to teach you an activity fun in English. Shall we do? Now take an A4 sheet or any paper, fold it from right side to left side. We need in square shape. So fold it and fold the balance part and tear it. Fold the balance part and just tear it off. You can use this paper later, so keep it here. Now look at here, you have to fold the paper from this side to this side. Now you can have X here, right? Now fold it equally from up to down. Then again fold it from left to right or right to left, okay? Then now you have plus and X. Can you able to see this? Okay. Now just turn the paper like this and hold this two parts. Hold this part like this and this part too like this. Can you able to see? This is the important one. Hold this together. Hold this two paper together and push it down. Now you can have the paper in the size of triangle. Look at the paper. Now it's important one, you have to fold this from here. Look at this carefully. Fold this partially from here to here. Can you able to see, dear children? Not here, if not to this line, to here. Hold this side. Can you able to see here? Now fold another side like the same. Can you able to see this? Now just hold it opposite to each other. Now you have fish. Now draw eyes here and mouth. Do you like this? Now tell me, what is verb? Actually a verb is an action word. Whatever you are doing is called as verb. The action word: reading, writing, running, jumping, watching, teaching, catching, bathing. Every action is called as action verb. So you just write the verb in this fish. Can you able to see? Verb. Verb is an action word. Write all those verbs here. Dear children, do it and have fun in English. Thank you.